What's up, guys? My dishwasher is unable to turn on, so I see this light right here come out, blinking the lights. Door lights not making contact with door switch. What I'm trying to do here is disassemble everything. First thing you do, always disconnect the dishwashers from the electrical power source before adjusting or opening this inside in the door panel. Okay. Here and underneath, we need to open this screw up over here. The issue right here is this dishwashers will not operate when turned on. Guys, if you like this video right here, so give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Here it comes. This is the main powers over here to shut off the power everything. This is the door latch. This is the tools I'm using. This, if you guys are familiar with this is the right tools to be able to see the PC board right here. So we need to open this back inside. This is the cover of PC boards switch on and off. Try to disconnect this wire. Okay, right here also. So I found this right here is the PCB board is not seated properly. It's not all the way in, so the latch is came out. So I need to take it off everything to put it back everything to the latch properly. So take this one off, and also I just wanna to clean up also this one right here. So this is the electronic wipes also to cleaning the electronic PC boards. This one right here is nothing problem, so I just want to make sure this is to wipe also this the wipers, electronic wipers. This one right here, the PCB board, so it goes to the switch on and off. So I just want to make sure this is everything's all the way in and latch properly. just like this. Okay, right here, this is the door latch right here, so it's not it's properly tight, so I try to make it tight so that the screw tight right here. So the door latch is this connection also to this the blinking lights. So I will try to make it tight this one properly. So now is the door latch is very too tight. After we're gonna closing this one right here, so we're gonna go into this a drain cycle. This is the a lower spray arms. This is a glass strap. Also we look also this soil filter and direction. This one right here, soil filter direction. This is the filter also. We look also the pamphlets, so it's the way big, nice and clean over there. Back to the soil filter. So this is the soil filter's direction. So this I found a lot of the dirty over here, like just like a peppers, and also the dust and cloths. So put it back this dust plates and the filters and soil filters, and also this spray arm supports, the glass straps. Also put it back this lower spray arms. Okay, we put it everything, so try to operate this one. Put it back the power, main powers, and so start to press a medium and also turn on. Okay, let's see what you got. It's running right now. I heard this running. Now we're good to go. It's running. All right, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.